Are you a nature lover? Do you also consider yourself one amongst the wild? Don't you think it'll be so cool to hang out with them like Bear Grylls? Well, I thought that too, until I found myself stuck under a 5-ton giant. So this happened in Safari World Bangkok, where it was supposed to be a normal elephant show filled with dancing, playing, and arts. Turned out to be a life experience when in amongst such a big crowd, me being me, volunteered for this. Looks so fun, isn't it, when we see from here? But not when you're lying under an elephant where you can feel each of that thumping. This part was fun. That was my peak embarrassment. As they say, you can never trust a Thai massage. Okay, now this was horrifying. Elephant trying to lift and balance one leg up, moving its legs so close from my face. Well, let's just say it was a really smelly situation to be in. Khop khun ka, pretty lady. Thanks for watching. It's your boy SMS. Do like, share and subscribe to ShazebSMS. Comment down and let me know if you will try this or not.